Hello children, today we will continue the chapter Mapping Your Way. Now try this. This is a part of the parade route map 3. Can you see which part of the route map it is? We have to find this part of the parade route in the map. So children, that part is over here. You have to encircle that part in the map. Now try to make it bigger in this 2 centimeter grid. Remember that the shape of the map should not change. If we will make this shape in this 2 centimeter grid, then that will look like this. I have already made it. If the parade route map is smaller and the distance between India Gate and Vijay Chowk becomes 2 centimeter, what would be its scale? 1 centimeter on map, half centimeter on map, or 2 centimeter on map? Okay children, let's see. If we measure the distance with the scale from Vijay Chowk to India Gate, it will be 4 centimeter. That means if it is 2 centimeter, distance will be 1 meter. And if it is 4 centimeter, this distance will be 2 meter. But we have to make the distance between India Gate and Vijay Chowk 2 centimeter. 2 centimeter, that means 1 centimeter on map will be equal to 1 kilometer on ground. This will be the correct option. Originally, the distance between Vijay Chowk and India Gate is 4 centimeter on the map. We are given the scale as 2 centimeter equal to 1 kilometer. This is in the map. So, distance between Vijay Chowk and India Gate is 2 kilometer. Now, we have to change it. If the distance between two places becomes 2 centimeter, then the scale would be 1 centimeter on map. 1 kilometer on ground. Okay children, let's go ahead. Dances from different states. The children saw many floats, jhankies and dancers in the parade. Dancers from Karnataka were the best. All these people have to travel so much to come to Delhi. I like the Tripura dance. From Tripura and Sikkim, they have to travel far. But Haryana and Uttarakhand are closer to Delhi. Look at the map of India below and find the states these children are talking about. You have to find out these states of which these children are talking about. Okay children? You have to underline Karnataka, Tripura, Sikkim, Haryana, Uttarakhand, Delhi. In this map, you have to encircle these states. Now we have to do some questions after looking at this map. The Karnataka team starts from Bangalore and moves in the north direction. Which states does it cross to reach Delhi? So, they have to go from Bangalore to north. This is north, this is west, this is east and this is south. So, from Bangalore, they have to go to north and have to reach Delhi. Which states they will have to cross? Maharashtra, Madhya Pradesh, Rajasthan, Haryana, then Delhi will reach. If they pass out Maharashtra, Madhya Pradesh and Uttar Pradesh, then Delhi will come. Okay children? Next question is, let's see the answer. Maharashtra, Madhya Pradesh, Uttar Pradesh या फिर उत्तर प्रदेश नहीं क्रॉस करेंगे तो राजस्थान एंड हरियाणा. Jammu and Kashmir is to the north of Delhi. So the team from there travels towards south to reach Delhi. Which states does it cross? Now the team has to come from Jammu Kashmir to Delhi, from north to south. Here, if we come down, we will go to south now. So they will have to cross Himachal Pradesh, Punjab and Haryana to reach Delhi. Okay children? Himachal Pradesh, Punjab and Haryana. Now, Nonu lives in Gujarat. Nonu's friend Javed lives in West Bengal. Nonu wants to visit his friend. In which direction will he travel? Let's see. Nonu has to travel from Gujarat to West Bengal. That means he will have to travel to east. Here is east. If we go from Gujarat to over here, then he will have to take journey towards east to go to West Bengal. So the right answer is towards east. Is there any state which is to the north of Jammu and Kashmir? Or is there any state which is to the west of Gujarat? Let's see in the map. North of Jammu Kashmir? No state. West of Gujarat? No state. So answer will be no. No and no. Let's go ahead. If 1 centimeter on the map shows 200 kilometer on the ground, then about how far is Delhi from Jaipur? If in the map 1 centimeter is equal to 200 kilometer, then how far will be Delhi from Jaipur? Distance from Delhi from Jaipur on map is 1.2 centimeter. If we measure this distance from Jaipur to Delhi with scale, it will be 1.2 centimeter on the map. Then 1 centimeter will be equal to 200 kilometer. So 1.2 centimeter will be 1.2 multiplied by 200 will be 2400, and we will put decimal over here. Then answer will be 240 kilometer. 1.2 multiplied by 200 will be 240 kilometer. So the correct answer will be, here is no option of 240 kilometer, here is given 250 kilometer. So answer will be 250 kilometer. Next question is, estimate how far is Jaipur from Bhopal. Let's see in the map. If we measure Jaipur and Bhopal with scale, it will be 2.4 centimeter. Okay children, you will have to measure with your scale also. So on the map is 2.4 centimeter distance between Jaipur and Bhopal. So on the ground it will be 2.4 multiplied by 200, because 1 centimeter is equal to 200 kilometer. So answer will be 2.4 multiplied by 200 will be 480 kilometer. Which state is surrounded by 4 other states? Let's see. Himachal Pradesh is surrounded by 4 other states: Jammu and Kashmir, Punjab, Haryana, Uttarakhand. Okay children. So the answer will be Himachal Pradesh. You may take Madhya Pradesh also. It is also surrounded by Gujarat, Rajasthan, Uttar Pradesh, Chhattisgarh, Maharashtra. What? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 other states. Himachal Pradesh is surrounded by 4 other states. Which state has the largest area? Rajasthan has the largest area. Which state is about 8 times bigger in area than Sikkim? Himachal Pradesh. You have to look in the map also. About how many times of Punjab is the area of Rajasthan? The area of Rajasthan is 10 times larger than that of Punjab. Bala is standing on the sea coast and looking at the sea. The sea looks endless. Have you seen the sea? If you have seen the sea, then you will write yes. If you not, then you will write no. In the picture, where is the sea? Now look for the sea in the map of India. What color is used to show the color? Show the sea. Children, in the map, if we show sea, that we will show with the color blue. So in the map, wherever is it blue, that will be sea. Let's see in the map. So in the map, this part and this part is surrounded. It is shown by blue color. So this part is sea. Here is the part sea. Mark those states which have the sea on one side. Now we have to mark those states which have the sea on the one side in the map. Gujarat, one side sea. Maharashtra, Karnataka, Kerala, Goa, Tamil Nadu, Andhra Pradesh, Odisha, West Bengal. All these states are surrounded by sea. So answer will be, the blue color is used to show the sea on map. The state that have sea on one side are Gujarat, Maharashtra, Karnataka, Kerala, Tamil Nadu. Andhra Pradesh, Odisha. The state which does not have sea on any side is Haryana. If you will look in the map, then Haryana is not surrounded by sea. It is surrounded by 4 other states. So it doesn't have sea on any side. Distances between towns. These are 5 towns: Idlipur, Barfinagar, Doklabad, Belpur and Cholagad. How many centimeter away is Idlipur from Barfinagar on the map? You have to find out the distance between Idlipur and Barfinagar with your scale. If you measure it with your scale, it will be 5 centimeter. So answer will be 5 centimeter. How many kilometers will you have to travel if you go from Idlipur to Barfinagar? If you go from Idlipur to Barfinagar, how many kilometers you will have to travel? Scale is 1 centimeter on the paper is equal to 10 kilometer. That means 5 centimeter will be equal to 5 multiplied by 10, 50 kilometer. Okay children, if the distance between Idlipur and Barfinagar is 5 centimeter on the paper, then it will be 50 kilometer on the ground, because 1 centimeter on the paper is equal to 10 kilometer. There is a place called Thukpagram midway between Idlipur and Barfinagar. Mark it with a T. So midway means 2.5 centimeter on the paper. So we have to measure with scale 2.5 centimeter or middle point, and we have to mark it with T. A town called Jalebipur is 35 kilometers away from both Cholagad and Doklabad. Doklabad is here and Cholagad is here. And Jalebipur is somewhere in between these two towns. 35 kilometers away from both. That means it will be in the middle. So this zigzag way you will have to measure it with the help of a thread. Okay children, you have to measure this distance with the help of a thread, and you will find out 35 kilometers. 35 kilometers means 3.5 centimeter on the paper. If you measure with scale, and after that from here, I think it will be near about here, J. 3.5 centimeter will be here. Measure the length of the road between Belpur and Cholaghat. You can use a thread. So we have to find out the distance between Belpur and Cholaghat with the help of a thread. And after measuring the thread, you will measure the thread with the help of a scale, and you will find out the answer in centimeters. The distance between Idlipur from Barfinagar on the map is 5 centimeter. Distance between Idlipur to Barfinagar is 5 centimeter. Scale is 1 centimeter. So 5 centimeter will be equal to 50 kilometer. Half of 5 centimeter will be 2.5 centimeter. So we will mark T over here. After 2.5 centimeter. From here you can measure from Idlipur, or maybe you may measure from Barfinagar 2.5 centimeter. And you will mark T over here. Scale is 1 centimeter equal to 10 kilometer. So 3 centimeter will be equal to 30 kilometer, and 0.5 centimeter will be 5 kilometer. Half of 1 centimeter will be 0.5 centimeter, and half of 10 kilometer will be 5 kilometer. So 35 kilometer will be 3.5 kilometer. So you have to 3.5 kilometer over here, and you will have to mark J over here like this. Length route between Belpur and Cholaghat will be, if we find out from Cholaghat to Belpur with the help of thread, then that will come 6 centimeter. 6 centimeter means 1 centimeter will be equal to 10 kilometer, and 6 centimeter will be equal to 6 multiplied by 10, 60 kilometer. Let's go ahead. Ashish school. Ashish school looks like this from the top. How many times bigger is the area of the assembly ground than that of the office? Office is covered with 3 boxes. That means 3 squares. Each square has a 1 centimeter side. And assembly ground covers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 15 squares. That means 3 5s are 15. So, assembly ground is 5 times bigger than that of the office. 3 5s are 15. So, assembly area of the assembly ground is 5 times bigger than that of the office. How much is the length and width of each classroom? So length will be 1 centimeter, 1 centimeter, 2 centimeter. Scale 2 centimeter will be equal to 5 meter. So length will be 5 meter and width will be less than 2 centimeter. Width is less than 2 centimeter. So width is 4 meter. Answer will be A. Length 5 meter and width is 4 meter. How? Scale 2 centimeter is equal to 5 meter. So 2 centimeter will be equal to 5 meter over here. And width is less than 2 boxes. That means less than 2 centimeters. So it will be 4 meter. All the classrooms in Ashi's school look like this. Look carefully and answer which of these is exactly opposite to the blackboard. Opposite of blackboard, display board. So answer will be display board. Now look at the school map again. Guess and mark where would these be. Blackboard in 3rd A and 7th. Almirah in 4th and 10th. Notice board in 5th and 6th B. Last seat of middle row in 2nd. Display board in 1. Can a child sitting in 3rd A see the playground? No. Let's do these questions in the map. First is blackboard in 3rd A and 7th. 3rd A blackboard will be over here because door is here and in the picture if we go from door के साथ जो दीवार है ये वाली वही blackboard है. So blackboard will be here and in 3rd A blackboard will be here. And 7th, class 7th. If we go from door is here, so blackboard will be here. Next is Almirah in 4th, class 4th. Almirah will be near to windows. So in the picture, in class 4th, near the windows. So the Almirah will be over here. And in class 10th, windows are over here and Almirah will be over here near the windows. Next is notice board in class 5. Class 5. Notice board in class 5 will be, if we enter from the door, it will be in the left side. So in class 5th, if we enter from door, it will be in the left side. So here will be notice board. And in 6th B, if we enter from door, it will be on the, if we enter from the, in 6th B, if door is here, then display board, notice board will be here and blackboard will be here. In between door and windows, blackboard will be here and notice board will be here. Last seat of middle row in class 2. So last seat of middle row in class 2 will be here. Display board in class 1. Display board will be over here. Okay, children. Can a child, next question is, can a child sitting in 3rd A see the playground? If a child is sitting in the class 3rd A and playground is over here, so he cannot see the playground. So answer will be no. Okay, children. Thank you. Thank you for watching the video. Okay, bye bye.